In this episode, I did some shopping, so if you're interested in seeing what I did and where I went, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, I'm out today, my sister and I found some liquidation places we want to go check out. So we're here at this one called Sheffield Liquidation. We're going to go inside and see what we can find. I'll take you along with me if I can. This is body paint.
How much are these?
I don't know. This is our first time getting here.
Yeah, me too.
These are body paints for little kids. You know, in the bathtub.
If I knew how much it was, I'd get some for Genevieve.
I get some from Ben.
Genevieve, Penelope, and Benjamin to go tab the house.
Well, Gigi wouldn't because she thinks she was always
Yeah, she does. What's that? Huh? This is all mostly Halloween stuff. You know, I don't do Halloween.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah, see right here it says part of where spider webs.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I don't do that. I don't do Halloween stuff. We need to find another one.
Yeah, we got cups.
Those are lids.
But we ain't got no cup. Let's look and see.
Where? Okay, we'll go over there. Look like air filters. Yeah, so there's air filters. The bowl, spiderweb bowl. Pumpkin bowl.
If you're in the Halloween, that's really cute.
Yeah, but I don't do Halloween.
No, I ain't do it either. Alrighty.
Okay, we'll find another one. Alright. Ready, sister? Now, I thought I took a picture of the storefront, but this one is called Crazy Hot Buys. And what it actually is a place that has the Amazon returns. So they had a lot of tables in here, and you just have to go through and look at different things and see what you wanted. But my sister found, when we first got in, was this beautiful planner. Excuse my hands. I didn't know my fingers were on it. I was digging while looking at her at the same time. But this planner is gorgeous. And she's the type of person that writes everything in a planner. I mean, everything. So when she saw this planner, and I mean, it's gorgeous. It's, it has a goal inside, and it was brand new, still in the box. And so she got that planner. And then after we saw this planner, we thought, okay, maybe we need to move around and look around and see what they have in here. Now, I can't have it on when we're shopping because they had music playing in here. So I didn't want to get copywritten because of the music. But we did find some really curious things in here. And I end up getting, we had a basket. I went and got a basket, and we started putting things in the basket that we wanted. And then toward the end, you'll see. So I'm going to stop talking and let you watch what we picked up. Okay. Well, I did show you some of the store, a little bit of it, because as we were going, my sister and I found stuff, so I had to put the phone down, stop recording, and start digging. And I went and got a basket, which made it even worse. But we put things in the basket as we got close to where we were thinking about leaving. We started looking at the things in the basket and saying, do I really need this? Or was it just a ooh moment? And I put back a front door handle. Now I'm gonna try to find it. I'll find one on Amazon, so I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna put the picture up here. And but it was missing one piece on it, and I probably could have ordered it, but then I looked at the shape of the door handle, and compared to my handles in my home, my handles are curved, and that one was straight. So I put it back because it was straight. If it had been curved, I'd have snatched it, no problems. And I put back a phone holder that goes in the car because I don't too much vlog in the car like I used to. I leave and go thrift shopping because my husband takes the car and goes to work. So, but I did find 3 items, and I got those 3 items. And what I'm kind of laughing about it is I'm going to show you what the item is, and I'm going to show you how much it costs, and then I'll tell you how much I paid. Okay, first thing I got was this fan. It's a fashion leafless hanging neck fan. I got this. First item. Second item is one of these bins here for vegetables and things. And it's a really heavy one. Has the press lock. I seen these on Amazon and I got that. And the next thing I got was something I've been wanting for a while. Now, it's called the Ziploc Package Organizer. And you ladies know what I'm talking about. Here's a picture of it where you put all your your sandwich bags, snack bags, all those freezer bags, all that in here and have it all organized together. When I seen this, I couldn't leave it, and then my sister saw what it was, and we happened to find one more. So she has one, and now I have one. So this is something I really wanted. Now my price for the neck fan, I paid $10 for the neck fan. Now for the bins, I paid $6 for all 3 bins. I'm only showing you one here because I put the other ones already been washed and put up, and I didn't bring them in here. Now for this piece, I only paid $10. So my sister and I said that we're going to look for other liquidation places in our area and check those out here pretty soon. So if you enjoyed this, let me know down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And as always, you be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next episode.